Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and here's a quick unboxing of the Vivo V17 Pro. The V17 Pro is a very unusual phone because it's the first phone with not just a pop-up camera but a pop-up camera with dual front-facing cameras. That's kind of insane. And along with the dual pop-up front-facing cameras, there's also quad cameras at the back, which is total overkill. So this phone is probably going to be pretty awesome. I can't wait to check it out, but first here's a quick unboxing so you know what you get in that box. Alright, so first up, let's open up the box. The box itself is a pretty minimalistic box that shows you up front what you get with the V17 Pro, with the front-facing cameras and the quad cameras at the back. You'll also see that they're very proudly showing off that they are the title sponsor for the IPL. So the India packaging might be slightly different compared to the rest. Alright, let's open up that box. Alright. Very prominent V17 Pro branding right there. Let's open that up and you have a case. So the case actually looks quite nice. It's a nice little white case because I have the white phone with a cover for the USB Type-C slot as well. That's nice. So yeah, always appreciate it when you get a case in the box, just so you can protect your phone from day one. Along with that, you have the SIM card remover tool and you have a quick start guide. And of course, you also have the charging cable. It's a Type-C cable, which you guys know is always appreciated with me. Alright, let's move on from there. Alright, the next thing that you see is the V17 Pro itself. I'm just going to take off the sleeve so I can show you the phone itself. As you guys can see, I got the white color to check out. I actually really like how white phones are coming back in style now. This has a couple of nice little reflections to it as well. Alright, I'm just going to switch this on and put this on the side just so I can show you the front-facing cameras. Alright, what else do we have? Apart from that, you have the charging adapter as usual. And lastly, you have these very cool Vivo earbuds. It's always appreciated when you get earbuds in the phone box. Not too common nowadays. These are actually very interesting looking earbuds. So let's see how these perform as well. Alright, so it's finally switched on. Let me switch to the front-facing camera so I can just show you how that pop-up mechanism looks. You can see that the pop-up camera has two front-facing cameras, which is pretty insane. It's a 32 megapixel camera on one end, but they're promising some very cool effects with the dual camera. But I guess we'll see how good it is when we test it out. Alright guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Vivo V17 Pro. As always, if you guys have any questions about this phone, please let me know right in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button right below and maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.